In this video, we are going to take a look at how we can create a mega menu in Divi 5 without any external plugin or any custom code. And the mega menu will look something like this. And not just that, if you don't want to start from scratch, you can also go ahead and download the free template that you can import in your Divi canvas and customize your mega menu using that only. So if that sounds interesting, then let's dive in. Now let me first show you how you can download the template that you can use to customize your mega menu. So for that, you need to check out the link given in the video description, and this is going to take you to our blog post here, which again gives you all the step-by-step process how you can create these mega menus using Divi 5 canvases. And if you scroll down here, you will get an option says download the file. And here you will get an option to enter your email address. I have already done that, so I'm getting this download file option. Once you click on this button, it's going to download a JSON file which you can import while building your custom headers. So do check the link in the video description below. Now with that said, let me show you how you can build a mega menu from the beginning. So for that, we come back here in our WordPress backend, and we want our menu to be located on all the pages. So we need to make a custom Divi header. For that, we need to go to Divi here and then click on Theme Builder. Now I'm just going to remove the global header right now, just so that I can start from the very beginning. So let's go ahead and delete that. So now we have a blank header that we can start with. So let me just save the changes here, and let's go ahead and add a global header. And we are going to build this global header from scratch. So here we have our blank canvas, which we can use as our global header. So to begin with, let's go ahead and add a row. We are going to use a single column row, and let's go ahead and add an image first, which we can use as our logo. So let's go ahead and upload our logo. We are going to use this image, and let's keep it as it is. We are going to change all the stylings later on. And after this, we are going to add another element. So I'm just going to click on add element below. And this time I'm just going to use icon. So now we have an image and the icon, but we need to style them a bit. So first, let me just click on the icon and choose the desired icon. So we are going to search for hamburger icon here, like this. So now let's go ahead and do the styling and make them look like an elegant header. So I'll click on this icon here, go to design. For the icon, I'm going to choose the color, maybe from my global variables, and the size will be 40. And I'll do the same for the image as well. So in the sizing, I'm just going to type in 40 pixel like this. Or you can adjust the size depending upon your design requirement. And now we need to make them aligned in a single row. So we open up our layer panel, and for my column, I'm just going to click on layout, and we are going to choose row as the layout direction. And we are also going to choose space between to justify our content. And we are also going to align them in the center of the line. So this looks much better now. Now, if you go ahead and save this, and let me just go ahead and exit for a while and save changes for our template. And now if I refresh the front end, this is how our current header will look like. We have this image as a logo. We have this icon, which we are going to use as our hamburger icon, which is going to act as trigger to open our mega menu. So let's go back to the editing mode. Now we can go ahead and do some stylings, but I'll keep it for later on. But for now, let's go ahead and design the structure of our mega menu. So for that, we are going to use Divi canvases. And for that, we need to click on this grid icon here. And this is going to show you all the canvases involved in this layout or globally on our website. So here you can see we have a mega menu global canvas that we have already built. So if we click on this, we are going to use as our mega menu. Now, in order to build your own, you can again go back to this grid view and add a new canvas and go ahead and give it a name that you can easily remember. And then just click on add canvas. And now you can just simply start building your mega menu structure from here, just like you build any layout in Divi Visual Builder. So for this one, we can go ahead and maybe duplicate the columns. So now all we need to do is just start adding modules inside these columns and build the mega menu just like any layout using Divi Visual Builder. So let's say I just go ahead and add my title here. So I can do that for all the columns, and maybe I can edit the content later on. And then maybe we can go ahead and add desired content in our mega menu. Now, once you are done with designing your mega menu structure, it's time to link our hamburger icon here with this mega menu structure, so that whenever we click on this hamburger icon, we will be able to open our mega menu and close it as well. Now, once again, possibilities are endless to design anything in this mega menu structure. So go ahead and feel free to use your creativity to build epic mega menus for your website. But before that, let's go ahead and click on the section settings, and we open up the layers view, and make sure you give it a name that you can easily recognize, because we are going to need that in just a few minutes. So once that is done, make sure you save your changes, and let's go back to our main canvas, that is our header template. And now let's click on this icon so that we can add an interaction on this icon. So in the advanced settings, we go to interactions and we need a click event. So we click on the first option and let's give it a name. So to open the mega menu, we need a click event. Now for the effect action, we need to choose toggle visibility, because we are going to use the same icon to hide and show our mega menu. So for that, we are going to use toggle visibility and then choose the target module as this one. Now, if you notice, it's actually fetching the data from a different canvas. So if you have created your design in a different canvas, you can still use that inside interactions. So we are going to select this section, and once that is done, we also need another interaction so that our mega menu will not be visible at the time of the load of our page. Let me show you what I mean. So if I click on save right now, and if I refresh the page, our mega menu will just drop here as it is. So we need to make sure that it's not visible on the page load. So for that, we come back here, and for the same icon, we will add another interaction. And this time we are going to keep it on load, and we will name it as, so we are going to change this action as hide element, and again choose our mega menu holder. Let's save this. And if I refresh the page again, it's going to hide our mega menu on the page load. But let's see what happens when we click on the hamburger icon. Boom, it opens up our mega menu. Now, of course, we can go ahead and do some styling to refine the look and feel of our mega menu. But now you can build any style of mega menu using Divi 5 canvases and interactions. And once again, if you don't want to start from scratch, you can go ahead and download the JSON template using the link in the video description below and customize it as per your website requirement. So if you like this video, then make sure you give it a like, and to watch more videos and tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. That's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.